Now, I don't have much of a sweet tooth, and finding desserts to cook over fire is no easy task. So when I heard about the Basque cheesecake, I just had to give it a go. Now, we've all burnt things whilst cooking in the past, and that's what makes this dish so great, is it's meant to be burnt. So first we need a kilo of cream cheese. We're gonna add 400 grams of sugar, just castor sugar. And then we just need to soften that cream cheese. You could use a mixer for this. I don't like to because it adds air to it, and we don't want too much air in this one. Now we've got 8 eggs. We're gonna beat them in one at a time. Keep mixing until it's all incorporated before adding the next egg. So now we're going to whisk in our cream, the zest of 1 orange, and our Pedro ximanez. PX is a sweet sherry that has been fortified in brandy barrels. So once that's all combined and there's no lumps in there, we just need to sieve our flour. Not a lot of flour in here. There's only 50 grams. Now we fold that through. Now we're going to pour it into our lined dish, and we're going to bake that on 220 degrees for 15 minutes. We're going to crank that temperature up to 240 degrees for 9 minutes until there's still a little bit of jiggle in there, and we've got a beautiful dark crust on the top. Now this has got some fantastic colour on it. We're going to let it rest for 5 hours before we make our pears and serve it up. We're going to serve this today with some wood-roasted caramelised bosch pears. Just cut them in half. We're going to take the core out with a spoon and pop them into a heavy base frying pan. Brown sugar, quite liberal and generous with the brown sugar. And then a good slab of unsalted butter. I'm just going to pop my thyme just underneath that butter, okay? So this is going to go into a nice hot oven. The sugar's going to draw all of the moisture out of those pears. It's going to dissolve the sugar, the butter's going to melt, and it's just going to have that real caramel goodness to it. So that is our wood-fired Basque cheesecake with caramelised roasted pears and a PX cream. If I can do it in a wood oven where I've got no temperature control, you can do it in a normal oven, definitely.